Hello, my name is Alain Rioux. I'm the president and co-owner of ATVenture Components located in New Brunswick, Canada. We are the creators of bison bumpers. From hunters to farmers to adventurers alike, we create a high quality product that's used to protect your UTV and ATV alike. Today, I am proud to introduce our newest product, the Bison Truck Rack. This is the Bison Truck Rack. As you can see, it's made out of 2-inch square tubing and it is all Canadian steel. We have a detachable light bar bracket that can be modified to your liking. Soon we'll be introducing a pre-drilled bracket. We'll make attaching your favorite light bar or lights or anything you would like on the bracket easy and quick. Now we're going to show you how to properly attach this Bison Truck Rack.
In this video, we'll walk through the installation of the Bison Truck Rack. For best results and to avoid damage to your vehicle, we recommend a 2-person installation. Tools required. Before starting, make sure you have the following tools ready: a 9/16 socket, T45 Torx bit, a power drill. A hand ratchet can be used, but a power drill will make installation much easier. Blue Loctite. This should be applied to the threads of every bolt, including the rack attachment bolts and the light bar attachment bolts. Your Bison Truck Rack kit includes 2.5-inch bolts used for the main bracket installation, installed using a 9/16 socket. 4 Torx bolts, installed using a T45 Torx bit. Washers should be placed appropriately between the metal surface and the bolt face to ensure proper load distribution and secure mounting. A 2-person installation is strongly recommended to prevent damage to the truck's cab or box. During initial setup, install all bolts loosely. This allows the rack to move slightly for proper alignment before final tightening. Align the rack with the end of the truck's box, ensuring proper clearance. This spacing is important to prevent the rack from contacting the cab during vehicle flex while driving. Once the rack is positioned correctly, begin tightening the bolts that holds the brackets underneath the box, where the brackets meet the top of the box. We recommend tightening bolts in a cross pattern using alternate tightening. This ensures even torque and proper seating of the rack and brackets. After those are secure, tighten the bolts that attach the brackets directly to the rack. Once everything is tightened, check for any movement. If movement is present, retighten all bolts. Once all bolts are tightened and there is no movement, verify alignment. Confirm all hardware is secure. If you're satisfied with the installation, you're ready to move on. Both soft and hard tonneau covers can be installed with the Bison Truck Rack. Certain components must be aligned carefully to prevent interference between the tonneau cover and the rack brackets. Not all tonneau covers have been tested. We highly recommend measuring your tonneau cover before installing the rack bracket. Most tonneau covers fit properly on Chevrolet, Ford, Ram. Toyota applications have not been fully tested and fitment may vary. Installations may be possible, but we strongly recommend professional installation or assistance from someone experienced with these systems. Most modern Toyota trucks use a T-slot system. Toyota brackets are designed differently to accommodate this system. T-slot bolts are provided with the kit. Instead of clamping underneath the box like other vehicle models mentioned previously, the brackets are secured directly into the T-slot. Follow the same general installation steps as the other models.